Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to check for and install software updates on THERMOMIX TM6. In order to do it, click on three dots in the top right left corner. Then click on Settings, and now once you scroll down you will be able to find ThermoMix version of an update. Now you can click on Search for updates, and then in my case there is an update available, so I can click on Update. Now it says it will take about 10 minutes, so I'll just get back to you within 10 or 5 minutes. We'll start downloading it. Once it downloads it, it will start installing it. Make sure not to unplug your ThermoMix from power because it may break the device. Just leave it plugged in and don't click on any buttons. Don't press and hold on the power button. Just let it update. If you feel like it's stuck, it's probably not. It's just maybe a longer process in your case. So yeah, I'll get back to you. And now the update was installed, and that is basically it. You may want to check if there's even a newer update. I don't think ThermoMix has that issue, but many devices in general don't always update to the newest version. They update to the newer version, not the newest. So you may want to try seeing just again if you have the newest version for sure. In my case, yes. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.